Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. We recently went on a long trip and I needed something to occupy my toddler for his first plane ride. We were not disappointed at all by this busy board by ANR. He has had other busy boards, but he has never played with one like this one. The letters are super awesome because they have upper and lower case. His favorite is definitely the shapes though. He spends the most time on that. He loves taking them all off, and he usually is able to put them back in the right place even, which is great for his recognition of shapes. He has learned this so quickly. He now knows all of these after just using it for a short period of time. He also loves these crayon shaped colors. He knows all of his colors now, and he loves taking the crayons off and putting them back on. The Velcro is super strong, so I love that too. If you're looking for a great way to occupy your toddler on the go or at home, I highly recommend this busy board. Not only will they learn, but they will be occupied and out of your hair. We love it, you will too, and that's my point of view.